it's a can-do attitude. Like, yeah, we can do it. It may or may not be the most economical or smartest decision, but we can do anything. And I think that's part of what I love about this industry is people that are veterans of the industry. That's just how they approach life. These are my people. Once I got in, I mean, that's what I realized. I mean, and I guess I knew that before, but once I own the company and I'm spending, 10, 12, 14 hours a day with my team, yeah, these are my people.
I think initially I probably would have invested in the digital technologies a little bit earlier in order to capture more data and organize data from the beginning, because that would have allowed us to get a better understanding of what our costs were. Are we making money on parts or not? Everything from material asset processing, things like that, capturing that data.
Having that humility to know that, hey, I can learn from anybody and I don't know anything in comparison to these guys. Carrying that same level of humility throughout my career has helped me to learn new things, a lot of new things that I might not have been privileged to learn.
Definitely it hasn't been the boss's kid, and I never wanted it to be either. I wanted to be, I grew up in the shop and I grew up being friends with a lot of the core group, and I wanted to be respected from them as a peer, as a coworker, not and what I was able to do and accomplish, not who I was.
I'm a firm believer in you can't have too many friends in the business. So my biggest competitors I know well, and they know us. They've been through our plant. I've been through theirs. And they say, hey, we can't handle this. It's a really good customer. We trust you guys. It's not down our wheelhouse. Why don't you call? So, and we do the same thing to them.